edX MicroMasters app. The pros, the cons. Most people think earning a graduate-level credential online is complicated, but the edX MicroMasters app offers professional and academic courses that provide real-world skills with university-level rigor. You won't believe how accessible high-quality, career-focused education can be from your phone or tablet. The app covers programs in data science, cybersecurity, business management, supply chain, and more. One standout feature is that MicroMasters courses are recognized by top universities and can sometimes count toward full master's degrees. This combination of professional relevance and academic credibility makes edX MicroMasters unique. Interactive assignments, projects, and assessments ensure that learning is practical and measurable. Flexibility is a major advantage. You can learn at your own pace, track progress, and download lessons for offline access. edX also allows integration with employer programs, making it easier to apply skills in real-work scenarios. The app's intuitive interface keeps learning organized and focused. However, there are some cons. MicroMasters courses are more expensive than standard online courses, so the investment is significant. Some users may find the learning curve steep, especially if they are new to advanced topics. Interaction with instructors is often limited compared to traditional classroom settings. In conclusion, the edX MicroMasters app is ideal for professionals seeking advanced skills with academic credibility. Its structured programs, practical projects, and recognized certifications make it an excellent tool for career advancement. While it requires a financial and time commitment, the long-term value in knowledge, skills, and potential degree credit is substantial.